The Touch and Foam Professional 2-component polyurethane foam systems deliver a complete, self-contained, and disposable insulating solution for professional contractors and remodelers when air sealing, insulating, patching, and filling voids in residential and commercial properties. The Touch and Foam Professional 2-component kits include 2 cylinders, 1 applicator, hoses, extra nozzles, chemical-resistant gloves, O-ring lubricant, assembly wrench, safety goggles, instructions, safety guide, MSDS, and instructional DVD. Since all Touch and Foam professional products are for professional use only, you should always follow proper health and safety guidelines. When dispensing Touch and Foam professional spray foam products, always wear protective clothing such as a TYVEK suit, a NIOSH approved air purifying respirator, chemical resistant gloves, safety glasses or goggles. Be sure to cover all exposed skin, including the head. Ensure the work area is adequately ventilated. It is important to follow all precautions. Contents are under pressure. Contents may cause skin, eye, and respiratory tract irritation. Vapor may be harmful as it displaces air. Contents may cause sensitization by skin contact and/or inhalation. Heat combustion releases hazardous decomposition products.